this is what's called the double bracket, okay? Double bracket method. Now, what I'm going to show you is about the double bracket is the following, okay? We're going to be doing question 5. Now, question 5 is actually made up of several small questions. I'm going to write down all the small questions that make up question 5. Before I ask any questions, right, just look at this, okay? X bracket X. I want you to know how to do X bracket 2. I'd like you to know how to do 5 bracket X. And I'd like you to know how to do 5 bracket 2. Now, if you can do all of these together, you actually already know how to do this question. So what's X bracket X? Can anybody tell me? Yeah? X squared. X bracket 2? 2X. 5 bracket X?
5X.
And 5 bracket 2? 10. Okay, now, this question here, I'm going to ask you another question that's exactly the same as number 5. I'm going to ask you this one here. X bracket X plus 2 plus 5 bracket X plus 2. Alright guys, can somebody call me out to answer this one? Joey.
So X by X is X squared.
Yeah.
X by 2 is 2X.
Yeah.
5 by X is 5X.
Yeah.
And 5 by 2 is 10.
10. Okay.
Got it.
And then at the middle part?
10X. Oh, no, 7X.
7X in the middle plus 10. Alright, so guys, long story short, alright, see this answer we have to the right? That's the answer for question 5. That's exactly how you do question 5. But let's figure out how did we get from here to here? And I'm going to show you how we got from there to there now, okay? What you always do in all of these questions is the following. You look at the first bracket, and you always break the first bracket. Now, do you see what I mean by the first bracket? The first bracket is going to be the X plus 5, and the second bracket is the X plus 2. Here is how you do all of these questions. You always split the first bracket in half. The first half of the first bracket is X, yeah? You multiply the first half of the first bracket by the second bracket. So it's going to be X multiplied by X plus 2. Can everybody remember that?
Yeah.
Split the first bracket in half, multiply each half by X plus 2. Now we're on the second half. What's the second half of the first bracket? What's it? 5. And then when we have 5, what happens then? We're going to multiply that by? And as we already know, you already know how to do that. And we've already got it done. Now, let's do one more of these before we get into the questions, okay? Because you're actually going to find out they're actually all the same and they're all very easy. So, what we're going to do next is we're going to do number 20, okay? Now, the difference between 20 and 5 is the fact we're using P instead of X, right? Now, let's see if you know how to do everything in here already. We're going to find this out, right? Now this has nothing to do with the question, this is just me testing this before we start the question. Right, what's 2p times p? Then I want to know what 2p times minus 3 is. After that I want to know what minus 1 times p is. And then I want to know what minus 1 times minus 3 is. So we'll see if everybody in the class actually knows exactly how to do this question before it even begins. Okay?
Is that P?
They're all P's. Okay, I'll show you now.
Right.
Okay, guys, we'll just do it this way first. Okay, guys, what's minus 2p? What's 2p by p?
2p squared.
2p squared. Perfect. What's 2p by minus 3?
Minus 6p.
Minus 6p. You multiply the 2 by the minus 3 to get minus 6. Minus 6p. What's minus 1 times p?
Minus 1p.
Okay, and what's minus 1 times minus 3?
3p.
Plus 3. Alright guys, does anybody have any questions about any of those ones we just did to the right?
No.
No. Okay, now this part here, 2p minus 1.
Just write as 8 when you're
No. You don't have to write anything out. I'm just seeing if you can do it or not. See this, what I just had to write now? You don't actually have to do that. I'm going to show you the bare minimum amount of writing you have to do right now. Okay, here's what you have to do. Step 1. What did I say earlier?
Cut the bracket in half.
Cut the bracket in half, in between the P and the minus. what comes first? 2p multiplied by
3 minus 3.
p minus 3. First half the first bracket multiplied by the second bracket. After that,
Minus 1.
times.
3 minus 3.
Now, you already know how to do the rest of it, don't you? What's 2p times p?
2p squared.
You've already done it. 2p times minus 3. Minus 1 times p.
Minus 1p.
And minus 1 times minus 3.
3p.
Plus.
3p.
No, minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Just plus 3. Now guys, there's something that has to be done in the middle. What has to be done in the middle?
You can minus
So it's going to be 2p squared. What's minus 6 minus 1? You owe somebody 6. Sorry, Gary, you owe somebody minus 6. That means you owe them 6. And then minus 1 means then you owe somebody else 1. Then you owe them 7. Okay, just always think of money. Okay, and then you'll never go wrong. 2p squared minus 7p plus 3. Okay, guys.
Got it.
This one here is, as you can see, 25, 26 and 27 are exactly the same type of question, okay? Now, number 28, 29 and 30 are different. Now, what 30 is doing is, 30 is a fancy way of saying this, guys. 2x plus 1 squared. What does that actually mean, okay? Now, what that actually means is the following. If I asked you what 5 squared means, what would you tell me the answer of 5 squared is?
25.
25. So it means 5 multiplied by. So whatever is in the bracket multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. That's all you need to know. So what am I going to write for the next line for this one? No. Whatever is in the bracket multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. 2x plus 1. That is exactly how you do it. Every time. Now, let's do what we did last time. Break the first bracket in. And then do what?
2x
Times.
bracket 2x
Plus.
plus 1.
Then.
Bracket.
Yeah.
Then plus 1 times 2x
Plus 1 and bracket. Multiply out 2x by 2x. 2x by plus 1. No, you're multiplying. 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x. 1 multiplied by 2x plus 2x. And finally 1 multiplied by 1. 1. What do I have to do with the middle?
That is just got so hard. Wait.
Alright, sorry guys. 2x multiplied by 2x is 4x squared. Because 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. And how many x's do we have? That makes it 4x squared. 2x multiplied by 1?
3x.
No, you're not. You're multiplying.
Oh, sorry.
2 multiplied by 1? 2. How many x's do you have? Just 1. 2x. 1 multiplied by 2?
But isn't it not when it's outside the bracket, you multiply?
We are multiplying. 2 by 1 is 2.
Yeah, but I said.
That's a
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now, alright, how do we finish this off? 4x squared, what's 2x plus 2x? Plus 1. That's you done there, okay? We'll get you